Class entry for Category 2 Mapping Unit. Entry number 11, nag-aalis sa Tagros Bao, Camarines Sur, Bao National High School with their DNC and majorette entry only. Headed by the majorette leader, Leonor Joan Marie Tabayat. DNC leader, Gian R.V. Batan. Principal, Obita B. Bulali.